Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. The price of fuel is set to climb to a new all-time high in Jamaica for the third straight week. That as Petrojam announced a 33-cent hike in the price of E1087 and E1090 gasoline. The price of a litre of regular diesel goes up 35 cents, while low sulfur diesel is down 5 cents. It will cost 9 cents more to purchase kerosene. Propane is up 1 cent, while butane declines 19 cents. And the truckers are calling on the government to reduce the gas tax to ease some of the burden of rising fuel costs. In a joint statement, the Port Trailer Haulage Association and the All Island Truckers Association called for the tax reduction as they point out they are seeking an increase to compensate for higher prices. Now, the price of oil rose for the first time in 6 sessions on Wednesday on the back of reports that OPEC will keep production curbs in place until at least the end of the year. Oil for delivery in July gained $1.48 to settle at $68.21 a barrel. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.86. The Canadian dollar costs $98.24. The pound is going for $169 and the euro for $149.47. Stock prices ended mostly lower in today's trading session, pulling the JSE index down by some 420 points. The junior market index gained 42. Stocks posting gains included 1834 Investments, Caribbean Cream, Fosrich, Jetcon, Lascaux Manufacturing, Sagicor Group, and VM Investments. Now on the losing side were Berger Paints, Carreras, Jamaica Producers, JMMB Group, NCB Financial Group, Seprod, and Wisynco Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.